guys to listen to the words of this song. Is that okay? I wrote these words to be listened to. Is that okay with you guys? One time. Now, check it. Now I was 7 years old when I got my first pair, and I stepped outside. I was like, Mama, this air bubble right here is gonna make me fly. I hit that court, and when I jumped, I swore I got so high, I touched the net. Mom, I touched the net. This is the best day of my life. Air Maxes were next. That air bubble, that mesh, the box of smell, the texture, the shred at school. I was so cool, I knew I couldn't crease it. My friends couldn't afford them. 4 stripes on there, don't do this. The court wasn't the best. My kicks were like the pros, yo. Stick out my tongue so everyone could see the logo. Nike Air Flight book bag was so dope. Then my friend Carlos's brother got murdered for his 4s. Whoa. See, he just wanted a jump shot, but they wanted to start a cult though. Didn't want to get caught from Genesee Park to Othello. Get clown for those pro wings with the Velcro, those were not tight. I was trying to fly without leaving the ground, cause I wanted to be like Mike, right? I wanted to be him, I wanted to be that guy. I wanted to touch the rim, I wanted to be cool, I wanted to fit in, I wanted what he had. America, it begins. This part's important. We want what we can't have. The commodity makes us want it. So expensive, damn, I just got to flaunt it. Got to show them so exclusive. This is that new shit. $100 for a pair of shoes I would never hoop in. Look at me, I'm a cool kid. I'm an individual, yeah, but I'm part of a movement. My movement told me be a consumer, I consumed it. They told me to just do it, I listened to what that swoosh said. Look at what that swoosh did. See, it consumed my thoughts. Are you stupid? Don't crease them, just leave them in that box. Strangled by these laces, I can barely talk. That's my air bubble, and I'm lost. It pops. We are what we wear, wherever we are. But see, I look inside the mirror and think the night tricked us all. Will I stand for change, or will I stay in my box? These Nikes help me to find me, but I'm trying to take mine.